Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn off likes on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app, click on the profile, move to the three lines which appear at right top corner, click on settings and privacy. Now you can see here notifications. You can see there is interactions open and links on likes, or you have to turn it off. In this way, this type of color will appear here on likes option. In this way your likes on videos will be turned off. You cannot like any other's video and no one can like your video. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.